Hello guys, Booger Shrimp from the Mind Maniacs here. Um, for people who don't know much about the Mind Maniacs, we're just a group of kids trying to have fun making YouTube videos, doing stupid YouTube videos like skits and stuff. But this video I'm bringing you a tutorial, Tekkit server tutorial, so let's get started. What you want to do is open up a web browser of any sort. Okay, once you do that, you want to go to www.technicpack.net/tekkit. The link will be in the description, so just go there. So what you want to do is here on the left, you're going to want to download one of these. So if you have a Mac, you're going to want to download this one right here. If you have a Windows or whatever runs a jar, you can run jar on Windows. That's what I use. If you look right here, it's a jar. I don't know why I use that, but I just do. And this is the exe. So with the jar, you just download it, right click it, maybe. Right click it, open with, and then Java. So for the Tekkit server, what you want to do is you want to download this Java right here. You want to click on Others. I'll have all these links in the description. You want to download the appropriate Java right here, but you want to make sure you click Accept. So back to Tekkit. You want to download the server. So right here, 2.1.1 server. Gonna wait for this to download. Shouldn't take that long. And we're gonna drag it into our folder on our desktop. Then we're gonna right click it and click Extract here. You gotta have WinRAR. I'll have a link for that in the description also. So once that's done, it'll give you all these files. Then you can go ahead and delete that file, because you won't be needing it anytime soon. Then you're gonna want to go ahead and launch this. But first, I don't want to launch that yet. Usually you don't want to exit out of this, but I have to because I want to edit this. Because I don't want my computer to go to crap right now while I'm recording. I'm going to change it to give it to 1 gigabyte. Okay. So now I'm going to... Did I even save that? Yeah, I did. Okay. So now I'm going to run it. It's got 1 gigabyte of RAM. So it's going to lag on the server, but not on my computer. As you can see, it's a bit laggy because it's just starting it up. I got about 30 FPS though. And then it's going to generate all these files. And at the start, it's probably going to give you a bunch of errors saying, oh, you don't have this, that, whatnot. So what you want to do is minimize that. Go in here to your server.properties file. It's usually going to be either open up with Notepad or WordPad, depending on what your default is to open it. You're going to go ahead and want to open that up. You can go ahead and minimize that. And you can also go ahead and stop the server. Just type in stop into the command prompt for the server. Give it a minute and then hit any key to continue. So this is your server properties file. What you want to do in here is you can change your level name to whatever you want. Say tutorial. Okay. Just don't mess with this stuff. Well, actually, no. You want to mess with this. Oops. Control Z. You're going to want to mess with this and change this to true. This will allow people to fly if they have a hack client on your server, but being that all these mods are installed, they usually won't be able to install a hack client over them, considering it's also a mod pack. And then you can change the ports. You want to leave the IP alone. Level seed, you can put in a seed here. Let's just put in notch. Level type, this is if it's completely flat or not. I'm going to go ahead and change this to 7.7 because that's what I have ported forward for this particular computer. Then the message of the day. I'll get to that in a minute, but you can change this to whatever you want. Oh, my bad. Tutorial server. Just going to name it that for now. Generate structures. This would be like NPC villages and stuff of that nature. Spawn monsters, true. Max players, you can put this to whatever you want. I'm just going to put it to 1 for now. Difficulty 1, PvP, true. Usually want to leave it at true, but I'm going to change it to false. I don't know why. Difficulty, 1 is easy, 2 is normal, sorry, and 3 is hard. 2 would be the way to go, because if you have it on 3, people can die of hunger, and people usually don't like that. So 2 is the way to go with that. And 0 is, for the game mode, 0 would be survival mode, and 1 would be creative mode. So you want to keep that at 0 unless you want an all-creative server, which usually isn't what you want with Tekkit. So that's basically what we've covered so far. We're going to go ahead and go to the File button and save it. Then you can exit out of that and open up the file. Then you're going to want to delete the world here. Delete, yes. Okay, now you have all of this stuff. What you're going to want to do is you're going to exit out of that, and then you're going to want to open the folder back up, search for the mods, and then you're going to want to rename this just Computercraft if you want that plugin or the mod to work. And then you just rename it Computercraft, and that's fine. Then we go through here. You can change your buildcraft config for about everything in here. Alright, wait, another thing you're going to want to do if you're going for a big server is find, one second, let me find it here. I don't know if it'll be in here. No, not IC2. I need crafting bench 2, and you want to turn that off because it's got a bug with equivalent exchange, I believe. And what it does is it basically duplicates your bronze, tin, and bronze, tin, and copper. I'm sorry. Not sure where to disable this. I'm pretty sure you could just go into the mods folder and find it here, and then just delete it. Crafting table 2, delete. Yes. Then maybe it'll be in the config here. Mod. It'd be right in here, so I don't see it. Yeah, it's not in there. Sorry for the background noise. You can just type in your ops you want to have on here. So I'm going to type in booger shrimp. Okay. Permissions. That's custom permissions. I don't use that permissions. It's the bucket YML permissions. This is that folder, well, the file I just edited. Oops. Dang it. Alright, so now you can go ahead and start it up. So with this here, I don't have to right click it, go into open with and Java TM platform SE binary every time. I just right clicked it, went into properties, then I clicked change, and it was a WinRAR archiver file, but then I just click this, and then boom, it always opens with, and then you click apply, okay. Then when you open it, hopefully my recording system will switch over to Tekkit here. My skin, mod select, you can turn your different mods on and off from here. Mess with your options. You put your sign in here, your username and your password, and this is based off of Spoutcraft, so it's not gonna leak your password or anything. I mean, yeah, and you select which mod pack you want here. So you're going to want to select Tekkit, log in. That's my skin. He's got a Speedo. Just made that the other day. It's pretty cool, I think. And then there's one more thing I wanted to show you. First, I'm going to minimize this. Okay, hold on, a bit laggy here. Minimize. So you're going to want to hold down your Windows button, hit the R button. Then this is going to pop up. So you're going to hit enter. That's going to bring you to your app data roaming file. Here you're going to be able to access .Technic Launcher, .Spoutcraft, .Minecraft, .CraftBucket. I'm going to go ahead and delete this one because I don't want that there. Or this one. Okay. Oh, sorry, it's just going to take up stupid time in the video, but don't need that stuff. Didn't even know I had that there. Then you can open up your .Technic Launcher. And here's everything that has to do with your Technic Launcher. See, if you look here, you got Technic SSP, Technic Single Player, Tekkit, Vanilla, and Voxel Mod Pack in the Yog box. You can just go in here and edit whatever you want. wherever you want in here. But I will let you know that whatever you edit, and if you close out of a mod, it will screw this up. So I'm going to go ahead and join my server I made here, just to show you that it works. You do have to port it forward, however. I will not be doing a tutorial on how to port it forward, because there are various YouTube videos out there on how to port forward, and every single router is different. Every single IP you connect to from your router, to your router, it makes just the config of your interface different. Just a little bit sometimes, but so this is working. I don't know if you guys can see this right now, but I'm playing in my Tekkit server, just running around. It's working. So I'm just gonna go ahead and close out of that. So we have this server here. I'm gonna go ahead and stop the server. So that's how that works. I'm gonna go ahead and put another link in the description. I'm gonna go there right now. It's called portsforward.com. Okay, you're gonna want to download this software, PF Port Checker, reliable open port check tool. To test if your port is open, download our PF Port Checker program, install PF Port Checker, run PF Port Checker, type in the port you want to check, choose UDP or TCP, and click the Check Me button. So that's something you want to do just to be sure your ports are open. Just to be sure. And these are all the mods and plugins that are in Tekkit. I will be doing more regular vanilla Minecraft tutorials. Don't want Spoutcraft there. Go ahead and move up that game. So this is my tutorial on how to make a Tekkit server. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.